Stop eating these 5 foods now. They're silently destroying your liver. Have you ever felt constantly tired, bloated, or like your body just isn't working the way it used to? It might not be aging. It could be your liver quietly crying for help. The truth is, your liver is one of the most overworked organs in your body, and without saying a word, it could be struggling to keep up. Today, you'll discover 5 everyday foods, ones you probably eat all the time, that are silently damaging your liver, and more importantly, you'll learn how to replace them before it's too late. Stick around, your liver might just thank you. Your liver is a biochemical powerhouse. It filters over 1.4 liters of blood per minute, breaks down toxins, digests fat, stores nutrients, and even regulates hormones. But here's the catch. It suffers in silence. By the time symptoms appear, fatigue, bloating, dark urine, itchy skin, the damage might already be serious. The good news? Your liver can regenerate itself, but only if you stop the damage in time. And it all starts with what you eat. 1. Vegetable oils, soybean, corn, canola. They sound healthy, right? But they're loaded with omega-6 fatty acids that trigger chronic inflammation. Over time, this inflammation clogs your liver with fat, a condition known as non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. What to do instead? Use extra virgin olive oil, avocado oil, or cold-pressed coconut oil instead. All liver-friendly and anti-inflammatory. 2. Refined sugars, especially high-fructose corn syrup. Soda, candy, energy bars, even some healthy cereals, are packed with hidden sugars. Fructose doesn't get burned off like glucose. It's processed directly in the liver. And guess what? When there's too much, your liver turns it into fat. This buildup can trigger insulin resistance, fatty liver, and eventually even cirrhosis. What to do instead? Replace sugary snacks with fresh fruits, stevia, or raw honey in moderation. 3. Processed meats. Bacon, sausages, deli meats. Loaded with preservatives, sodium nitrates, and saturated fats, these meats overload your liver's detox system. They also increase the risk of liver inflammation and scarring. And worse, studies link them to liver cancer in long-term heavy consumers. What to do instead? Choose lean cuts, pasture-raised meats, or better yet, go meatless a few days per week. 4. Alcohol? Yes, even just 1 glass. Even small amounts can lead to fat buildup, inflammation, and cell death in your liver. Over time, regular drinking, like even socially, can snowball into alcoholic liver disease. What to do instead? If you drink, keep it under 1 to 2 drinks per week, and hydrate heavily with lemon water or herbal teas to help your liver detox. 5. Artificial sweeteners, aspartame, sucralose. Marketed as diet-friendly, these chemicals confuse your metabolism and put pressure on the liver's detox process. Animal studies have linked them to liver inflammation, oxidative stress, and even DNA damage in liver cells. What to do instead? Use stevia, monk fruit, or small amounts of real maple syrup. If you eat these foods regularly, watch for constant fatigue, yellowing skin or eyes, swollen ankles, dark-colored urine, brain fog, or mood swings. These could be signs your liver is waving a red flag. Start your day with warm lemon water. Eat more leafy greens and sulfur-rich foods like garlic and onions. Cut back on processed foods. Add milk, thistle, or turmeric supplements with your doctor's approval. Move your body. Exercise boosts blood flow to your liver. Your liver has been working 24/7 since the day you were born, with no breaks, no vacations. So give it the support it needs and stop eating the foods that hurt it the most. Which of these foods surprised you the most? Have you noticed any of the symptoms we mentioned? Tell us in the comments. We'd love to hear from you. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone you care about. Your liver will thank you.